Welcome back to our Commuter Challenge tutorial series. In this video, we're providing an overview of the dashboard. To view the dashboard, visit my.goDCgo.com/pound/dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a section labeled My Commutes. This module provides you with helpful commuting options based on the commute conditions you enter. Let's try a sample trip. Click the green Let's Go button to get started. Enter your commute trip start and end points and whether this is your regular commute or a one-time trip. We'll use the example of a regular commute where the commuter works from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. If your start and end hours are flexible, you can check the box to indicate that as well. Next, check off if you're interested in matches for any shared commute options like carpool, bike pool, walk pool, or transit pool. You can provide additional details and preferences in the text box. If you check off carpool, use the drop-down menu to indicate if you want to drive, be a passenger, or both. Finally, indicate if you want to show up as a match for anyone on the platform, only people on a specific network, or nobody at all, and if you have a preference for the gender identity of those with whom you travel. Click Save and you'll see your matches within the system. Now let's tour the rest of the dashboard. To the right of the My Commutes section is a box that indicates what prizes you can win in that given month. This section will change monthly. Scroll down and you'll see where you log your trips. Check out our previous tutorial on how to log a trip if you need a refresher. Next to that is a section where you can log your start and end points for any trip to see all of the sustainable transportation options that will get you from point A to point B. Note that we scrolled past the box that links to the Commute Tracker mobile app. We'll go over how to use that in another tutorial. Keep scrolling for the My Rewards section, where you'll find the available prizes for the month and how close you are to being entered to win them. To the upper right of that is the My Stats section, where you can see how much money and CO2 you've saved, how many sustainable trips you've taken, how far you've traveled, and how many calories you've burned. Finally, keep scrolling to find the leaderboard. This section updates in real time and shows the top performing commuters and employers in the challenge. Keep checking the leaderboard to scope out your competition throughout the challenge.